Hi you guys, today is June 1st and it is Marilyn Monroe's birthday, so I thought that I would film a very quick and easy how to do red lips tutorial. I've had a lot of women tell me that they can't wear red lips, they don't know how to put on red lips, they're afraid to wear it, it's too bright for them, all sorts of things. And I also felt like that when I first started in the beauty industry. I looked at all these beautiful women and I thought, there's no way I can wear red lipstick, it's just too out there, it's too bold, it's too bright. And it's come to be one of my favorite things to wear. I love red lipstick. I love hot pink lipstick. I just love bright lipstick in general. But since today is Marilyn Monroe's birthday and she was so well known for her red lips, I thought that I would bring you this very easy red lip tutorial. Anybody can wear red lips. It doesn't take a lot. In this tutorial, I did use Chanel products, but you do not have to use Chanel. You can use anything that you like that is red. There's a lot of good products out there. I have more red lipsticks than I do any other color. So I could do a whole blog post or YouTube video just on all my red lipsticks. But in this one, I did use my Chanel colors, which they make, in my opinion, the most flawless, effortlessly beautiful reds. They look beautiful on everybody.
Stick your feet in some fish water.